Okay, I'm back up here at my office and got my phone here monitoring the print job. This is the one that we just started down there, and let's see, this is the other one here, and we can see it's coming along pretty good. This one's just still on the first layer, but the first layer is looking pretty consistent, so I didn't stay down there for the first layer to print on that one. I'll be able to monitor it from the house here on the cell phone. And that's a good thing about having the cameras. We've got 16 cameras down there and 8 up here, so I can monitor the printers upstairs and the old print farm, as well as monitoring printers down there. I can monitor them from anywhere. If we go out to eat or whatever, I can still pull up those cameras, see what's going on. So that's a good thing. Gives me a little more peace of mind. Another thing up here on my king room, I've been looking at the products that we're going to be selling, and one of them is the helping hand, and this is the table mount. And as you can see, the power cord comes down here on it, and I realized that it's kind of sloppy. It should be, somehow we should be able to contain that cord. So what I did, I came up with these little parts here, and this is one of them. It's just a small little plastic clip, and I'll show you the way it works. You take the you take this clip and you put it over the wire and just clip it to this rod, and then of course add more clips to it, and so forth. So that just gives a lot neater presentation. You know, we're constantly trying to improve the product and come up with ideas, and that little clip makes a little bit of difference. It holds that wire in place. So it's a never-ending job. So when we go online Monday, there'll be a couple little clips included to be able to clip that wire on the portable table mount. So, and I'm printing some of those. That's what I'm printing in this little king room right now. And I'm only printing 8 at a time. The reason for that is they're pretty small, fragile parts. It takes an hour to print 8. I tried printing about 20 or 40, and one of them broke loose and messed up, and I had to kill the whole job. So I thought I'll just stick to 8 an hour and just let it print. And I'm usually in here working or something, and I just restart it whenever it finishes print, pop the parts off and restart it. So I guess the moral of the story is, when you're working and developing a product, just something simple like these little clips here can make a world of difference, and you're constantly trying to improve your product. Well, we'll be finishing up a few of the parts that we need to have ready for Monday when we launch the website. So if you get a chance, go out there, check it out. Let me know what you think. It's newtechinventors.com. we'll see. We'll see how it goes, but it's an exciting day that we're finally ready to start selling some of the products. We have, I think, about 18 items right now on the website out of, I think I have 44 items altogether for the Helping Hand, but we only have 18 of them starting out. So we'll be adding stuff each week. Next week we'll be adding a couple more of the items. I just wanted to have a little bit of time to do some final testing on them, make sure that they're ready to go out the door before I add them to the website. So that's about it for now, and thanks for watching.